Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Shikha. So in today's video, I'm going to create double cut crease eyeshadow with golden glitters. Let's begin with the tutorial. First, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. For that, I'm using Maybelline Nudes eyeshadow palette and I've chosen the black eyeshadow shade. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to use MISCLLAIRE concealer in the shade Natural. Concealers or eye primers needs to be applied before the application of eyeshadows as it provides a nice base to your eyelid, thus cancelling out any darkness or unevenness. If you don't have a flat brush or you're not comfortable using the one, you can also prefer using your fingertips. To smoothen it out, tap it with the help of a brush, or you can also go for the sponge. Now to set the primer or concealer in the place, I'm going to use translucent powder from Maybelline Master Fix. Apply a smaller amount of product to avoid the dryness. Let's begin with the eyeshadow. As my first shade, I'm going to use this dark pink shade and going to apply it on my crease line. I'm here using a pencil brush to avoid it getting all over the place. You can use any other brush of your choice. To make it look more blended, I'm here using a clean brush and blending it out. For my second shade, I'm here using this shade which is lighter than the first shade. I'm here applying the second eyeshadow just above the first shade. To make it look more gradient, I'm here using this light pink shade just above my second shade. Now when I'm satisfied with my blending, I'm going to clean my crease with Garnier Micellar water. Now to cut the crease, I'm going to use KRYOLAN Derma D4. I'm going to create an eyeliner using the same dark pink shade. To blend the edges of liner, I'm going to use this shade. I'm here applying the second shade just above my eyeliner. For the rest of my eyelid, I'm going to use this light pink shade. Before applying the glitter, I'm going to use two-way gel from Face Up. For this look, I'm going to use two types of glitters. First, I'm going to use MISCLLAIRE Gold Dust. This glitter is quite fine in nature. For the second type of glitter, I am using Pro Impressions Gold Chunks. The size of these glitters are bigger than the first one. Now I'm going to start applying the eyeshadow on my lower lash line. For that I'm going to use the same 3 shades which I've used earlier. I'm going to create a line beneath my waterline. Use the remaining 2 shades one by one, starting from the dark to light, and smudge the edges to make it look more gradient. From the same palette, I'm going to use this champagne gold shade to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. For my waterline, I'm using MISCLAIRE eye pencil in the shade purple. Using packed gel eyeliner to tagline my eyes. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. You can use any other mascara of your choice. Apply it evenly on both the top and bottom lashes. This is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you like this tutorial. If you like this look, please let me know in the comment section below. Till then, like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I really hope to see you in the next video. Bye.